Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of our loving God. Have a beautiful day, children. Today we are going to learn science. In science, today we are going to learn lesson 8. Lesson 8. What's the name of the lesson? ANIMALS, animals. THAT, that. CAN, FLY, fly. Animals that can fly. What's the name of the lesson? Animals that can fly. Look at here. What is this, children? Birds. Birds fly. Birds fly. How do they fly? Shall we see? Look at here. What is this, children? Legs. 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 How many legs birds have? Birds have 2 legs. They have legs, but they cannot walk very fast. Birds can legs. They can walk slowly. They cannot walk very fast. And then, what is this, children? Wings. WINGS, wings. And wings in birds help them to fly. They use their wings to fly. How do birds fly? Birds fly with their wings. Very good. Next, feathers. FEATHERS, feathers. They have feathers on their wings and body. Birds have feathers on their wings and in the body. And then, how do they eat? This is the beaks. What is this? Beaks. BEAKS, beaks. Birds eat with their beaks. Birds eat with their beaks. You have mouth to eat, no? Just like that. Birds have beaks. BEAKS, beaks. What bird is this, children? Crows. Very good. Crows. 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 Crows almost eat anything. Crows almost eat anything. Anything crows can eat. It not only eat the vegetables, nuts and fruits. It eats anything. Anything it can eat. And then sparrows. SPARROWS, sparrows. This is a sparrow. And then parrots. What is this? Parrots. PARROTS, parrots. These sparrows and parrots eat seeds and fruit. Eat seeds and fruit. Then, what is this? Hawk. HAWK, hawk. And then what is this, children? Owl. What is this? Owl. And some birds are good hunters. Some birds are good hunters. In the lesson, animals that live on land, we learn it. Do you remember? Yes, jackals, fox and wolf. These are all good hunters we learned, no? Just like that in bird. These are all the good hunters. And then what do they eat? They eat the small animals. They eat the small animals. And then owls, mostly owls hunt at the night time. Owls hunt at the night time. It hunt the other animals at the night time only. And then this is a hawk and it looks like an eagle. It looks like an eagle, but it's not an eagle. Eagle feathers are very long when compared to this hawk. And look at your children. This is a goose. GOOSE, goose. And what is this? Duck. DUCK, duck. Look at both the pictures, children. What's the difference in it? Can you find it? Yes, you are right. when compared to the neck of the goose is long and the duck neck is very short. And look at the leg of the goose, it is very long when compared to that of the duck. And these two birds swim well. These two birds swim well, and there are many types of ducks and geese. We can see many types of ducks and geese. And geese have long necks. And what do they eat? These goose eat plants. They eat plants, and the duck eats the plants, fish, worms and insects. Duck eats plants, fish, worms and insects, but the goose eats plants alone. You all understand this? Now we are going to learn about this. What is this? Penguin. Penguin. Very good. Penguin. And then ostrich. 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 Penguin and ostrich. These two are also birds, but they cannot fly. They cannot fly. And do you see a hen? Hen can fly? No, hen also cannot fly. And then penguins are great swimmers. Penguins are great swimmers, and they eat fish. What do they eat? They eat fish. And then ostriches. Ostriches run very fast. Ostriches run very fast, and they eat plants. They eat plants. Shall we recall this? First, what we learned? We learned that birds fly, and then birds have legs, but they can walk slowly, but they cannot walk very fast. And then birds have wings. Birds have wings. It helps the birds to fly. Wings helps the birds to fly. And the birds have feathers. Feathers in wings and its body. Birds have feathers on their wings and body. Then we learned that how do birds eat? Birds eat with their beaks. Birds have beaks. It helps the birds to eat the food. Then we learn about the crows. Crows almost eat anything. Anything crows can eat. And then we learn about the sparrows and parrots. Sparrows and parrots eat the seeds and fruit. Then we learn about the hawk and owl. Hawk and an owl. These two birds are good hunters. And then what do they eat? We learned they eat the small animals. They eat the small animals. And the bird owl hunt mostly at the night time. It hunt the birds, hunt the other animals at the night time. And then we learn about the goose and duck. Ducks and geese swim well. These two birds swim well. What's the difference between the goose and the duck? The goose neck is very long when compared to that of the duck, and the legs of the goose is also very long when compared to that of the duck. And then this goose eats plants. This goose eats only plants, and duck eat the plants, fish, worms and insects. Then we learn about the penguin and ostrich. These two are birds, but they cannot fly. And a common hen that also cannot fly, no? Yes. And then penguins are great swimmers. Penguins are great swimmers, and they eat fish. What do they eat? They eat fish. And ostriches run very fast. It runs very fast, and they eat plants. And now you understand it clearly, no children? Yes. Today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read lesson 8, Animals That Can Fly. Page number 28 and 29 in your science book. These 2 pages you have to read in your science book. And I hope you all understand the lesson clearly. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.